Hi, my name's Tracy McCallum. I had a microdiscectomy with Dr. Jonathan Stieber. So around 8 months prior to my surgery, I was having some hip pain and lower back pain, sciatica. So I had a scan and we found that I had a really bad herniated disc. I started to do some physical therapy and acupuncture because I was really scared to have surgery. But after several months, my back started to become much worse. And the pain started trickling down to my calf and to my leg, and it was becoming harder and harder to walk and do everyday activity. Jonathan understood that I was scared to have surgery, and we decided it was really going to be a last resort. I was going to try other things before to see if I could fix it on my own, which I did, but it clearly wasn't working. And my pain became so bad that I ended up having to go in for emergency surgery. He was amazing. I was so scared, and he said to me, "There's nothing to be scared about. This is a surgery I would perform on my mother. I have total faith that this is going to be a successful surgery." And he made me feel so confident, and I just trusted him completely. So I was actually shocked at how easy the recovery was. Around 3 days later, Dr. Stieber called me and said, "Tracy, I want you to go for a walk today," which I was shocked by because I thought I was just going to be stuck in bed for a month, and that wasn't the case at all. And he was right, because by walking, I really improved quickly. You're in wonderful hands with Dr. Stieber. He's an amazing surgeon, and his staff is wonderful, and they made the whole process very smooth for me, and I really never worried one bit. I just think that no one should live in pain, and I'm so grateful that I had this surgery and I had such a great experience.
Tracy first started talking to me as another mom at my daughter's school. At that time, she had sciatica that was bothering her. It wasn't until some years later that it got bad enough that she arrived in my office, almost unable to walk. Tracy was diagnosed with a lumbar disc herniation pinching one of the lumbar nerve roots, resulting in severe sciatica as well as numbness and weakness. She was treated urgently with a minimally invasive microdiscectomy and had an excellent outcome. Tracy had an uneventful recovery and experienced near immediate improvement or resolution of her leg pain. Her sensation and strength came back fairly rapidly, and she was able to return to her very busy life and the things that she loves.